Okay, y'all. I'm trying to get this Jetski started again. And I've used some of these products from this company, Super Clean. Right down here. It's purple. Then I got a hat right here. Super Clean. Yep. Here's some of their products. I mean, they don't sponsor this video, but they've sent me some of their products to use. Right here, this one dissolves grease, and that's a wheel cleaner. I haven't used that, but that dissolves grease, Super Clean, and I've used that. And this one, same thing right here. And I've used both of them, and I'm trying to clean out this ignition, this igniter area, and I've used some of it down in here to clean it out. I mean, there's like white corrosion down in there too. And my wrenches, I left my wrenches out and they got rusty. It actually cleaned some of the rust off. Not all of it. I've had to like, use a brush, this metal brush, but I left it down in here, and it's been raining a lot in the Dallas area here lately. So the water was like way up here, and all these tools were sitting down in it, and it actually cleaned the rust off of some of these tools and grease. I had grease on a lot of them. And I want to get that. That's all the igniter bolts. But I'm trying to get it cleaned out down there. It will not, doesn't have any spark. And I watched a few videos on it, and this is supposed to go to the coil, is what I've been told. This loose wire, and the coil is right here, but I don't think so on this. But pretty much I'm just disconnecting stuff and cleaning off where there's corrosion right now. And I've used some of their products, like I said, to clean the areas out down in here and my tools. Okay, so turn you guys off for a minute. We'll pull that out. I'll show you here in a minute this connector and get it cleaned off. Okay, I'm still in the igniter box here, and I've gotten this taken off right here, and the fuses aren't blown and they're clean. But I'm going to clean these terminals down here. Open them up and clean them off. I mean, not right down through here. Not sure if that's going to help anything. I think there was a little bit more corrosion over here. Down this direction over here. On this side. I mean, it turns over, there's just, I got a little bit of spark and then nothing. I gotta figure out where this goes. I believe this is part of the problem. Guys said on the video I watched that this needs to be on the coil or you won't get any spark, but I mean, it doesn't make any sense. There's nowhere for this wire to go through. Maybe it goes down through, I don't know. I'll figure it out here in a little bit. Okay, y'all. I've used some of the Super Clean that dissolves grease down in these terminals here. They were a little dirty. And there was a little oil down in there in them also. But I used some of that with a toothbrush here. To clean this red terminal. Alright, this terminal is a little dirty here. I mean, not a lot, just got white stuff in there. And it's funny, I turned on the shop vac, I dropped it, and I got the hoses in reverse, and then you can flip it around and it blows out the opposite direction. So it's blowing out the opposite direction. So I used it a little bit to blow everything out of here. I mean, most of the terminals look clean, and I'm not gonna check them for like the signal they're putting out. I mean, I probably should, but I've never done much of that. I'm just gonna clean them out, and if it runs, it runs. Starting to sprinkle just a little bit, but I've got the igniter box off. I'm gonna put it in the oven. That sounds crazy, doesn't it? For 10 minutes on 300. And see if it dries it out, if it's got any moisture in there. I've seen a few people doing that. But it is starting to frickin' rain. So I'm gonna put the seat back on this thing. Alright, folks. Here we go. 300 degrees for 10 minutes. A little hesitant to do this, but let's see what happens. 10 minutes. There it is. Alright. See if this is the trick. Okay, folks. It's winding down. 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1, 0. It's been 10 minutes. I've opened it a couple times. Opened it up to make sure it wasn't melting. Which doesn't look like it is. Get it out. Brownies. Tasty. It is a little toasty. Yep. Well, at least it's not well done. Alright, it is raining a little bit outside. Believe it or not, the streets are wet.